my point?
Can you make such prayer for joining
Lordship,
after the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April?
People are working. I am in the tainted list. People
How
are
much cost is to be imposed for making a prayer which is contrary to the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court?
31st 12
Trying to abuse the
till
court
31st.
and the due process of
No, Lordship.
process of law.
I am not.
Very well, let it be dismissed with a cost of rupees 1 lakh.
Lordship, it is a matter of SSC related. Thing is that I've been
2016 classes 9, 10 you are selected.
yes.
So that
I have joined.
that has been set aside.
No,
You have lost the
Lordship,
job.
I'm coming, Lordship. Right now, I'm in the untainted list, tainted list. But I was not supposed to be. How? That's I'm just clarifying in 2 lines. Number 1,
What you are praying for?
temporary
What you are praying for?
joining, because my juniors, those who were in my those were my subordinates. They are doing the service. I've been kept outside, declaring myself as a tainted candidate when I was a fair candidate. That is my case.
Fair selection process. So you have prayed for participation in the selection process.
As well as in that case, Lordship, I will rectify the prayer by giving a
You have
supplementary.
prayed for participation in the selection process.
Absolutely, because if I am in the tainted list,
why you are saying that you want to
no,
join?
Lordship,
There is no
actually,
such
he is
prayer.
entitled to be. I have seen the petition and I have gone through it much later because it has been drafted by one of my juniors. What I have seen, Lordship, that pursuant to
It has been rightly drafted because your prayer is not maintainable in view of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court.
absolutely.
What prayer which you are advancing before this court is not maintainable, that is in the teeth of the order of the Supreme Court.
Absolutely, Lordship, just peruse.
So therefore, your junior has rightly done, and you are, when you are leading,
Lordship,
when you are acting as a lead counsel, it is your responsibility to take the fault on the shoulder of yours.
Lordship, absolutely.
Why you are
taking
blaming
the
your
shoulder.
junior?
No, Lordship.
How long you are practicing?
Lordship, I'm
How long
practicing
you are
in 23 years. Lordship,
is
just
it the way to place the case when I do not find any fault so far the prayer couched in the writ petition?
No, Lordship, only one point, just peruse my point.
Can you make such prayer for joining
Lordship,
after the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April?
Because people are working. I am in the tainted list.
How much cost is to be imposed for making a prayer which is contrary to the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court?
Lordship, I am not praying so. Till 31st
You are
12.
trying to abuse the
Till
court
31st.
and the due process of
Lordship,
of law.
I am not.
Very well, let it be dismissed with a cost of rupees 1 lakh.
Lordship, just peruse.
Considering the prayer.
Lordship, just peruse one thing. Till 31st December 2025.
Can your prayer for joining the post in view of the order of the Honorable Judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court dated 3rd of April 2025 survive?
Lordship, just peruse that point, what I'm saying.
Answer the query of the court.
Lordship, till 31st December I can work.
That is neither here nor there. It's a decision of the government.
Exactly.
The court does not want to enter into this. But can you pray for issuance of mandamus?
Lordship,
after suffering an order from the Honorable Supreme Court?
Absolutely not. But I am entitled. If I am in tainted list, Lordship, I'll not be able to go for.
This court will now decide whether you are in the tainted list or untainted list.
Exactly, Lordship. That your Lordship can do. Because it is a separate cause of action. It's not related with the Honorable Apex Court's order.
Entire issue was before the division bench, then before the Honorable Supreme Court, and the issue could not be gone into because of the submissions made by the respective parties.
No,
now
Lordship,
this court will decide.
It could not be done. Lordship, it could not be done because Lordship, I am neither in the Wayman list, Wayman manipulation list, nor in the step jumping list.
Next paragraph, petitioner has made a claim.
Lordship, my juniors are working
in the selection process. In view of cancellation of the selection process, no order can be passed as prayed for in this writ petition 7 except granting leave to the petitioner to apply afresh in accordance with law if petitioner is found to be an eligible candidate in future selection process.
Lordship, that I have already applied for, Lordship.
No, my lord, the order of Supreme Court was those were found to be tainted. They are not allowed to apply also.
They are not eligible. Right.
They are not eligible.
And Lordship, that's what I am saying.
Appearing in the tainted list, which was submitted before this honorable court by what in compliance of an order.
So tainted candidates cannot participate.
Lordship, this is my case that I am not supposed to be in the tainted list.
না প্রথম থেকে পড়ো না প্রথম থেকে পড়ো no order can be passed as prayed for in this writ petition. Stop. Bucket. Writ petition stands dismissed. Urgent election.